Hello, good day. I'm Poi Poi. In the last tutorial, we talked about for each method. And now let's talk about includes method in JavaScript. So let's create our file for includes. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is include method in JavaScript? Include method in JavaScript is used to check if an array includes a specific element. It returns a Boolean value true or false, indicating whether the element is found in the array or not. So let's create an example for our include method. So let's create a numbers again. Yeah, then numbers, the element side of this one is 3, 4 to 5. Then let's console.log our include. Let's check if our numbers includes the value of 5. And then let's copy this one and then let's change the parameter into number 6. Since we are expecting here in line number 4 that we don't have any 6 value inside of our array. So we're expecting the value of this one is false. And then in line number 3, we're expecting that the result of this one is true. So let's run the code and yeah. Aha. Includes. What is wrong with this one? Includes. Also dot log includes. Okay. What's wrong? Give me a second. Numbers is not found. Let's check. Okay, I forgot to save my code. So here, what we're expecting is true and then false since we don't have number 6 inside of our array element. Okay, that's it. And I hope that I clarify the usage of includes method. And if you have any further question, just feel free to comment in our comment section. That's it, and have a nice day. Bye bye.